Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about acidic nature of alcohols. Generally, acidic nature of any acid, acidic nature of an acid depends on the stability of its conjugate base. Before we going to discuss about the acidic nature of alcohol, let us see what is meant by conjugate base over here. Now if you take any acid, if it contains acidic protons over there, the leftover part or remaining part of the acid after releasing of proton is called conjugate base. If you see the first example over here, acid, when it releases its proton, right, the remaining negative part, whatever remains over there, that is known as conjugate base over here. Now if you take for example HCl, hydrochloric acid over here, this particular acid is releasing H plus over there, the remaining part what is there here, this particular one is known as conjugate base over here. Now if you take sulfuric acid also, when sulfuric acid releases one proton over here, the remaining part is called, this particular part is called conjugate base of sulfuric acid. Now if you take acetic acid also, acetic acid after releasing of H plus over there, the remaining part whatever it is there, acetate ion, is known as conjugate base of acetic acid over there. For example, if you take alcohol over here, alcohol, if you consider this one as acetic proton over there, after releasing of H plus over there or proton over there, the remaining part what we are calling it as alkoxide ion, this is the conjugate base of alcohol. This part we are going to discuss today. Now as we have already discussed, acidic nature of any acid depends on its conjugate base stability, right? Similarly, alcohol's acidic nature also depends on the stability of its conjugate base. What is its conjugate base over here? That is alkoxide ion, RO minus, as we have already discussed here. Generally, like to understand it easily, simply I'll tell you a simple thing, what is the charge of alkoxide ion here? Negative, right? Generally, plus I groups decreases the stability of alkoxide ions, and minus I groups increases the stability of alkoxide ions. If, as we have already discussed, generally the acidic nature of any acid depends on its conjugate base stability, right? If stability of conjugate base increases, acidic nature of the respective acid increases, right? Similarly, plus I groups decreasing the stability of alkoxide ion means conjugate base of alcohol. Similarly, it decreases acidic nature of alcohols also. Minus I groups increases the acidic nature of alcohols. Now, let us see here how we can apply this for the examples right now. Now, we have primary alcohols, we have secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Now, from primary to tertiary, right, number of plus I groups are increasing. Number of plus I groups, alkyl group are increasing over here. Alkyl groups increasing. Now, let us see, after releasing the proton, after releasing the proton, as we have already discussed, we'll get the respective conjugate bases over here, right? Now, the charge of the conjugate base is negative. Generally, as we have already mentioned, the plus I groups decreases the stability of conjugate base, right? Why it decreases? Already charge on the oxygen is negative. By releasing the electron, what happens? The magnitude of charge increases, the stability of the respective conjugate base decreases. That is why we can say the stability order of the conjugate base is going to be primary is greater than, secondary is greater than tertiary. Similar way, as we have already discussed, acidic nature of any acid depends on its conjugate base, right? Similarly, alcohol acidic nature also depends on its conjugate base. That's what the acidic nature of alcohols are going to be. This is the order. Primary is greater than, secondary is greater than, tertiary. Now, similar kind of examples we have discussed in the previous video. Now, all are primary alcohols only. This alcohol attached with sp3 hybridized carbon. This is with sp2 hybridized carbon. This is with sp hybridized carbon. As S character increases, what happens? Minus I character increases. As we have already discussed, what minus I group generally increases the acidic nature of alcohols, right? Since S character, here as S character increases, what happens? Minus I character is increasing. Minus I character is increasing, acidic nature is also increasing. That's what the acidic nature of these alcohols are going to be. 3 is greater than, 2 is greater than 1. Now here also the same thing, minus I group generally increases the acidic nature. More minus I group, more acidic nature. Now NO2 is more minus I group than that of followed by ACN and fluorine over there. That's what the acidic nature is, acidic order is going to be. 2 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 4 is greater than 1. Why first one is the least one? There is no minus I groups over there. Only methyl group is there, which releases the electrons towards its conjugate base. Similarly, here also, we have to consider only what? The minus I order, Fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than bromine. That's what the order is going to be the same as we have discussed earlier. 2 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 4 is greater than 1. Here we have already mentioned minus A groups increases the acidic nature of alcohols, and here we are discussing the applications of inductive effect. Inductive effect is a distance dependent effect. Chlorine is minus A group. It increases the acidic nature of alcohols, but it's a distance dependent effect. As distance increases from the alcohols, what happens? The effect of the group on the particular alcohol respective conjugate base decreases. That's what the stability order is going to be. Sorry, the acidic nature of alcohols are going to be 2 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 4 is greater than 1. This is what the acidic nature of alcohols. Thank you for watching.